guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing video. I feel like I haven't done one of these in like a month or so, and I did one last month and you guys really liked it, so I feel like these are kind of good for me to do every month because I do get a lot of stuff throughout the month that I like to buy myself and try, or I get gifted. Will send stuff to me once in a while. I don't really get a lot of things, to be honest, but I do get stuff and I say yes to it. I like to do show it for you guys because I do not say yes to anything I feel like is not good. So I'm going to be doing that for you guys today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm going to be trying on some stuff from Playboy that I recently got, some stuff from Shein, and some stuff from Skims, and just show you guys some other things that I got from Shein, some skincare stuff, and some stuff that has been helping me as a person. So let's just jump right into it. Let's go. I have this little sweat outfit. It's from Playboy. I love the little Playboys on the sides and then like the matching little hoodie with the same thing here, and it's in Japanese right here. And it has these little like Playboy bunnies. Plain in the back. This is just so cute. This is probably the most comfortable little sweat outfit I have. It's so thin but like soft. Like the inside is so soft. I'm obsessed with this. I'm so freaking happy I have this. And definitely check this out. Next we have this one piece from Playboy. It's like their 90s retro style. It comes high on the hips. It's fuller coverage in the back. Super cute. I posted some photos of these, you know where, so go ahead and check it out. And then I think I'm gonna post a picture on Instagram in this because I did take some from my shoot last time and I really love it, so make sure you check this out. This is probably one of my favorite one pieces because it's so thin. I noticed all their clothing is very breathable, which is the best in my opinion. And I got a size small as well. The next little hoodie, like crew neck, I got from Playboy is this gray one. I just thought it was so adorable, also in Japanese. Has this right here, and it's plain on this side with the little card spades. And again, the softest hoodie ever. Like, this is a 10 out of 10. Oh, guys, I'm shook right now. I didn't even know they sold clothes, so I'm so happy that I ordered these. Next is this long sleeve one from Playboy. I had this on in my other vlog, and I linked it on my shop in LTK. Some of you guys bought it, I noticed. And I got a size small, and it's like little country vibes. Okay, next I have this little set from Skims. It's boxer shorts. They're pretty loose. I got a size small, and the top is a small as well, which is so soft and cozy. And it's also very thin. It's perfect to sleep in because you're not gonna be sweating. But I wanna say their clothes run big. I did notice that. I got a size extra small in their bathing suit and it fit me like a small. Make sure you keep that in mind when you order from them. I have their black cotton dress and I got a size extra small in that too. So I do think that they run a bit big. I'm obsessed with their stuff. I definitely wanna order more things because it's so soft. And like, I love the baggy sleeves. Oh my God, I'm so cozy right now. Okay, I'm gonna start by showing you guys this little set that I have. It just reminded me when I was younger. I used to have so many little things like this. And I just thought it was so cute and like a must have for summer because it's nice and loose. I size small and it's like baggy and fluffy and it's just so adorable. Yeah, how cute is this? Okay, next I have this bathing suit from Shein. It is so adorable and it has this really nice material to it, and the back is not super tiny, which I really liked. I've been into this style more, maybe because I'm trying to cover my scars from when I got bit up, but I really love this bathing suit. It fits so comfortably. I got a size small and I think it fits very well. Yeah, I love this little bathing suit. I should order more and do a try on haul for Shein. Let me know if you want me to do that. It has these little silver rings right here and I'm obsessed. This is this little pajama I got from Shein. It's these brown bare white pants, pajama pants, and like the little long sleeve buttons. I got a size medium just to get it bigger and oversized, and I'm obsessed with it. It's so cute. It's not tight on the waist and it just fits so comfortably. I'm also kind of out of breath, but I'm obsessed with this little outfit. Not outfit, pajama. Even though I wish I could go out in this, but it is so snuggly and cozy. Everything will be linked down below. Okay, so let's go on to skincare. So recently I got a huge order from MZ Skin, but I've been trying out their products since I got them, and I find that one of the coolest things that they sent me that I haven't started yet because I'm honestly waiting till I have something really important to do is these Glow Boost little capsules. Look how sick this is. So you do one during the day, one at night, and you do it for 5 days, and it's supposed to help give a glow and a boost, but I feel like this is like almost the same as getting like a hydro facial, so, or like a liquid gold facial, like stuff like that, and those are always really good right before you have an event. So this is for 5 days. I kind of have a lot going on this weekend, so maybe I'll start this today, or maybe tomorrow. I can start in the middle of the day. These look so cool. You just break it and then you put it on your face, so really excited to try this. I also really liked their light moisturizer. I have it on my shop if you want to check it out. I don't have a code for you guys, but definitely worth it. It's all like scientifically created. Then I got this Say translucent powder. I actually got it today because I downloaded the app Yuka, I think that's how you say it. And like you can scan the barcode of any, like anything basically, and it tells you if it's good for you or if it's not. And I went through all of my makeup, and depressingly, like half of it wasn't good for me. So I threw all of it out, and I needed a setting powder. And this one was like a 93 out of 100. The higher it is, the better it is for you. So really good. And I have it on right now. I think that it looks nice. It looks very natural. I've been going for like the natural look lately. So definitely if you want like packed on cake face, probably not the best for you, but I really don't think that's a cute look anyway. So like this, I was using the Huda Beauty before. So, and I think that was like a 38 out of 100. So not the best. Not the best for you. Then I got these Grown Alchemist package. They sent me their body cream and their body cleanser. It smells so good. My favorite scents are like eucalyptus, mandarin, cedarwood, all those kind of like, I don't like sweet floral vanilla smells. I like the other, like the woodsy, earthy like kind of smells. So these are like so good. Oh my god, they smell amazing. I haven't checked it on the app yet, but those should be good. This is their primer. Haven't even opened it yet because I was literally waiting until I did this video. It's the anti-pollution primer for makeup, and it is toxic free, vegan, gluten free, and it is 100% natural. That should be nice. That should be interesting. I'm actually gonna scan it on my thing and see what it says, but that's cool. And then this one is the lip balm. I hope that this is good because I need a lip balm because I put the Aquaphor in that app and it was like a 12. I was like, oh my gosh. This is what it looks like. It is vanilla watermelon. I don't like vanilla, but when it's mixed with stuff, sometimes it's not too bad. So let's see. It's clear. Oh my god, it smells like that, remember the lip balm when in like the 90s that like were all like those like flavors? I used to get them at Target. That's what it tastes like. It like smells like. That's interesting. Not bad. Not bad. Sunscreen. I use the Elastin sunscreen, or I use the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. The Beauty of Joseon sunscreen is my absolute favorite sunscreen in the world. I love their product so much. Their cleansing oil is a 10 out of 10. They actually sell it at Walmart now too, so that's always good. But this is also 100% natural. Their packaging is really cool, by the way, too. And then this is their body treatment oil. I love oils over moisturizer. Damn, this is a big bottle. They are not cheap with their products. It has omega-7. It smells like the oil when like you get a massage. But it's nice. I gotta scan everything. I'm literally not putting anything on my body that is poor ratings because... Actually, let's just test it now. Hold on. Also, my little outfits from Shein, if you're wondering. Okay, let's see. Let's see what the oil says. This is like so fun. I went to the supermarket today with my dad and we literally were in the store scanning everything. It was so funny. Poor fuck. Dang it. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, okay, that was excellent. I got a 93 there sunscreen. That's good to hear. We literally scanned the kids like sunblock at Target today. 12 or like 2 or something like that. Like you're putting that on your baby's body and it's so bad for you. Let's see the lip balm. Oh, 93 out of 100. Yay, that makes me so happy because I literally I needed a new lip balm. So that makes me really, really happy. The Say setting powder was also like a 93 also. That's why I got that. I don't know if I already said that, but that makes me really, really happy. Let's see the primer. Oh, okay, it's an 86 out of 100, nice. I used the NARS matte primer, but I didn't scan it because I didn't save the box for it, but I should probably go to Sephora and check. But, okay, Alchemist. Let's see these glow drops. Okay, they're 72 out of 100, so it's considered good. Anything below, like I think like 60, they said is like bad. But you could do it for food too. We were doing it all day with food. It was so funny. Okay, let's go with these little things that I got and then I'll show you more. So I got this little makeup bag. It has like horses and stuff on it. I just thought it was so cute. And it's actually pretty big. This is perfect for like when you travel. So I love that. I got this little bag. You could put like pads in there or tissue or what I like to do, like whenever I use one of my bags that are a little bit more expensive, I don't like to put my lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that just in the bag because it ruins it. So I'll put it in here and then put this in my bag so it's nice and covered and doesn't get dirty. Then I got this because I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? All my bags are really tiny. I like small bags. I don't really like big bags unless I'm like going to the beach, but even then I really don't like it that much. So I always use small bags, and when I bring my makeup with me, like a brush or something, the brushes are always like way too long. So I got this little kit and it's like the brushes are like powder and stuff and it's mini. So it's like perfect. And it has the eye brushes and then a little mirror as well. So I thought this was so perfect. And then I got this little bag. Like I said before, mini bags are like my favorite. And this is just so good for like any outfit because I wear a lot of solid colors, like all black or all white or orange. Like I love solid outfits. I don't like outfits that have a ton of designs on them unless it's like floral like this. So when you have like a solid, like let's say orange dress, this will look really cute, or a black dress, white, purple, green, whatever. Like this adds to the outfit. Next thing I showed this I think once before in my YouTube video, but I don't think I really explained it too much. But I got these 2 Faith gratitude books, and this is a gratitude journal, and what it is just 5 minutes of your day. You put, today I'm grateful for, how will I make today awesome, positive affirmation, and then at the end of the day you put little things that made my day, learnings from today, and then goals slash plans for tomorrow, and then you can put how you feel, which I just really liked. I think having gratitude is really, really important in life. And then this is the same version basically, but faith-based. So you do your morning prayer, your night prayer, 3 things you're thankful for. And then it says let go and let God handle it. So whatever you're stressing about, you put there. You set your intentions for the day, and then it says ask. So what do you need forgiveness for? Ask God with a challenge today, and then people to keep in your prayers. And at the end of the day, you put a kind deed you did, and then blessings you received today, which is so awesome. I actually was doing it really consecutively, and then I kind of stopped because I got an app on my phone that was almost the same thing, but then I felt like it was better when I was writing. So I'm only showing you this because I took it out so I can purposely do it. And it's 5 minutes every day, not even, literally like less. So it's like really no excuse. So I really feel bad about myself that I haven't done it in like a week or 2. But that's like my personality. I feel so guilty about things. Like I don't know how to accept that I made a mistake and like move forward from it once I ask God to forgive me. Like will stay and linger with me for months, and like that's really not good because you just kind of go through the motions of your day, and it's just not good. So it's really important to heal yourself and heal your trauma or whatever's happening to you or whatever mistakes you made, and then like, you know, this is a perfect way to like ask God to help you do that. So I really am gonna start doing this again, and highly suggest you guys try. Your life is just so different when you have faith and have God in it. I really feel that way. And then I got this little backpack. It just has, it's cream with these little pink flowers, and it's perfect. I had bought one from, what was it called? I don't remember where it was from. It was from some brand I found on Instagram, and it doesn't fit anything. And the strap broke, and it's so heavy. So I was like, okay, never mind. I am not gonna use it. So I bought this one because I thought it was also super cute with the little flowers. So this is perfect for when you go on the airplane and stuff, because just on your back, or if you really go anywhere. Sometimes I go places and have to bring my computer, and this is great to have it fit in there. But yeah, guys, so that is it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed everything. Let me know if you guys want me to do this more often. I do accumulate things kind of throughout the month, but if you guys want me to do it every like 2 weeks, I can definitely do that for you guys. I love doing these kind of videos and sharing what I find and what I think is good and what's not good. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I will be back with more videos. Let me know if you want me to do anything specific down in the comments below. Also, there's gonna be more cooking videos coming up, because I stopped ordering my pre-made meals from the place that I was ordering them from, because they had so much processed things in it that I had no idea. I was just looking at like the sugar and the protein, and it said like 0 sugar, like high protein, so I was eating them, but they have like so much like gum and like all these other things in it that are like so bad for you. So I stopped using them, and I'm back to cooking. So I'm just finding all like good recipes for me to pre-make all my meals. That way it's easier for me to eat, and it just like really help transform my body. Eating has been very difficult for me lately. Like I read the ingredients to literally everything, and like I'm so picky now, and it's just not good. I'm going through something, but I really want to start making my own food now, because I just think that it is way better that way. You know exactly what's going in it. You can scan your codes of the products to see what's good and what's not, and it's just so much healthier that way. And then that once in a while when you go out to eat, it doesn't kill you. So I just think it's really important to be able to see all the ingredients in your food. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I will do more cooking videos and show you what I meal prep and all of that, because health is wealth. We gotta stay healthy out here. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let me know what clothing item you guys like the best, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to leave me a comment and share the video, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Everything's always in the description box, and I will find the links to all of these things, and I will put it down below as well. I have most of it on my shop and on my LTK, so if you guys already follow me on there, perfect. If not, make sure you go do that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day and a blessed rest of your day, guys.